let's see a latching. So into instrumentation PLC programming, latching is used to make an output active or on even if the input is not present, or it's present for a small time period. Okay, so this latching is used to latch our input sensors, push buttons. Okay, so let's see on this simulator. Here it's a one push button. Its name is I100, and I'm going to latch output 200, and I'm going to do the latching over into the programming. So all the time the latching is done into the programming. Okay, so let's take one input over here. Okay, and one output. So the one input and output, I want to latch the input, so I'm going to take the address of input and address of output to the output side. Okay, so this is the one simple program. Okay, so whenever this is the push button, and we know that when we will press it will on, but when we are going to release it will show an off. Let's see that. So let me download it. Okay, and put it on a run mode. So when I'm going to press the button, it shows the output O200 on. Okay, but now I'm releasing it, so it goes to the 0 again. So the output is got off. At the only the time when I'm pressing the button we should on. So now I'm going to do a latching. Okay, so to do the latch we need one more branch over here. Okay, so into the latching we put an input having the address of the output that we want to latch. Okay, hear that carefully. We need to take an input contact. Okay, the address is same as the output, so you can see the address of this branch is output 20, and this is the same output we want. Okay, so let's see the program. This is the latching. This branch is called this output will called as a latched. So let's see after downloading. Let's run it now. When I'm going to press it and release it, okay, the output will be continuously on. So this output is now a latched. So here we can see that. Let's do one more take a branch. Okay, one more network. We will do one more input and output. Okay, addressing of this second and this second I want, and if I want to latch it I need to put a one parallel. One parallel branch with the input, and it carries a one NO contact with the address of output. Now let's run it. Download and run it. So you can see that into the first, when I'm going to press and release will glow. Now the second, press and release will glow. So into the latching, what happens when we press one single time button, the one I input, this input will glow and complete the path to the end, so the output O will be glow. But when we add, and this output is taken as an input over here, so this will also glow, and will complete the path on the second parallel branch. So at the time of after releasing this input, the path will be continuously on over here. So we will continuously on our output. So this is the latching. How to stop this latching, how to off the stuff, that we will see in a next.